Setting your financial goals is one of the basic steps in financial planning. While planning for your financial goals, it is always wise to think about financial security in the form of insurance. Some of the insurance policies in the market provide financial security and at the same time aid you in achieving your goals. LIC's Jeevan Labh is an insurance cum investment product. In this video, let us do a detailed analysis of this plan. This will provide you with clarity on whether LIC Jeevan Labh suits you or not. Welcome to holisticinvestment.in. LIC Jeevan Labh is a non-linked participating individual life insurance savings plan. First, let us look at the features. Limited premium payment. The policy term varies according to the premium paying term. Your benefits include simple reversionary bonus and additional bonus. Loan facility and tax benefit is available. Now let us look at the benefits under LIC Jeevan Labh. Death benefit, sum assured on death plus simple reversionary bonus plus final additional bonus if any. Here sum assured on death is the highest of 7 times the annualized premium or basic sum assured or 105% of total premiums paid. Next, maturity benefit. It includes a basic sum assured plus vested simple reversionary bonus plus final additional bonus. LIC Jeevan Labh is a participating policy. The policy holder is entitled to receive simple reversionary bonus as declared by the corporation. The final additional bonus is payable at the time of maturity or death. Now we shall discuss the advantages and disadvantages of LIC Jeevan Labh. Advantages. Premium payment is for a limited period but life cover throughout the policy term. Option to receive the maturity benefit and death benefit in installments. Reversionary bonus and final additional bonus will enhance your maturity benefit. Rider option, loan facility are added advantages. Next, disadvantages. The sum assured is too low to meet the family's need in case of eventualities. The benefits are not guaranteed. The bonus declaration varies for each year. The lock-in period is 2 years for the loan and surrendering the policy. The maturity benefit at the end of the policy term will not be sufficient to meet your life goals. LIC Jeevan Labh is an endowment policy in which your benefits are payable at maturity. As long as you pay premium, the bonus accrues. Let us assume a scenario and calculate the return on investment at the time of maturity. This will help you to decide about the suitability of the plan. A 30-year-old male buys LIC Jeevan Labh for a sum assured of rupees 2 lakhs. The annualized premium is 9,134. The premium paying term is 16 years and the policy term is 25 years. If he pays premium for 16 years, then he receives the maturity at the end of 25 years. The maturity proceeds include simple reversionary bonus and final additional bonus. It is assumed that the projected investment rate of return that LIC will be able to earn throughout the term of the policy will be 4% per annum or 8% per annum as the case may be. The projected investment rate of return is not guaranteed. They are not upper or lower limits. The final maturity under the assumed rate of 4% is 2.20 lakhs and the IRR is 2.33%. This rate is less than a bank savings account interest rate. The final maturity under the assumed rate 8% scenario is 3.70 lakhs and the IRR is 5.28%. This rate is less than a bank fixed deposit interest rate. And the above analysis clearly shows that the return on investment is lower than the inflation rate. The return on investment plays a major role in wealth accumulation, especially in the long run. LIC Jeevan Labh is a long-term investment, but the maturity proceeds of LIC Jeevan Labh cannot aid you in fulfilling any of your goals. Bank FDs are far better investment option compared to LIC Jeevan Labh. The sum assured is also too low to meet the family's basic needs in case of eventualities. Alternatively, you can opt for a pure term life insurance policy with adequate life cover. Now we have come to the end part of our analysis. LIC Jeevan Labh is a well-established insurance plan offered by LIC, providing a combination of life insurance coverage and savings benefit. It is suitable for individuals who want to inculcate the habit of savings. LIC Jeevan Labh is a non-linked, limited premium paying endowment plan. It is a traditional insurance policy designed to provide financial protection to the policyholder and their family while also offering savings benefit. Please do not get misled by reading reviews of LIC Jeevan Labh on social media. The return on investment is poor and the sum assured is low. This detailed analysis shows that both insurance and investment are not beneficial to the investor. But why do insurance agents keep pushing you into these kinds of plan? Simple reason, for the high agent commission that they get for selling these plans to you. Alternatively, you can buy a pure term insurance plan where you get high coverage. For wealth accumulation, your choice of investment should be based on the risk appetite and time horizon. Please consult a professional financial planner for the best investment choice for your individual financial goals. A detailed review of LIC Jeevan Labh is available as a blog post in our website, and the link is given in the description. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment option or related to your financial goal, don't hesitate to book a free appointment with our financial planners. The link to the free booking is given in the description box below. Also, will you be interested to attend any insightful investment webinar? Then feel free to register for the upcoming enlightening investment webinar. It is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up. Also, share it with your social circle. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now.